Here's how to fix your GE locking lid top loader switch that you hate so much that you ripped it open because it never balances a load right. Anyways, switch under here. If it's like me, you just hate it so it's already cracked, but you can just pry it up like that with a screwdriver. I'm sure there's a correct way to do it, but I don't know it. Next thing, you gotta push something in. You gotta push this down with a little screwdriver while also pushing this way. So if you push at an angle, it just comes right off. You reach under here, you can actually also move the lid or the body to the right, and that gives you more room underneath there. Out comes your switch. Pull over, press there, whole thing comes right off. Drop it in there, you don't care because you hate your washing machine. And you present it with this. All the switch mechanisms are actually in here. So you pry with the screwdriver here, pry with a screwdriver here, and pry with the screwdriver back here. It's hard to do one-handed, holding the phone. You pried it here, here, and right here. The last thing it should pop out. And there's some mechanisms down here that lock it, make it work. But your primary goal is just ripping all this shit out. That thing, spring for it. And there's another part. Rip this thing out. And it didn't come out, so I'm going to figure out a way to rip it out better. Press down on that as you're moving this little part back. That allows you to. Alright, so you get all these innards out to your piece of crap washing machine. And you have to insert this one back in just so you can jiggle it every few loads to let it think that you've opened the lid. So you're going to put it back without the spring into its section, and then you'll have to go in there and manually move it. Assemble this, push it kind of right back where it was. Pops into place. Switch still moves. Plug it back in. Alright, let's see if I can do this one-handed. So when you get that in there like that, flop it over. Make sure you can see that. Push it down. If you lose it, it's possible to get it if you don't have two thick fingers. Get that left side on there first. Push that right side up. And then to the right. And it clicks into place. Don't worry about the stupid white cover. There it is, working with half the switches in there. Anyways, it's a way to solve your problem, at least temporarily. But it's dangerous because that does nothing. I don't care though, whatever. They buy a new switch from Appliance Part Pros. They've helpful to me on many things. Alright, so after you've done a load or two, you need to reach in and move the switch. The most dangerous way is to reach through there, get your finger, jiggle it back and forth, and there you have it. The computer will think the lid was opened, and you can do a few more loads of laundry.